estas horas llegamos ayer, mijo.
Y sí. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back. I was over there sitting with my dad by the truck under that tree. So the birds are starting to fly, so I'm gonna go to the spot I was last time. Over here in the back. You got him. Chingo! I don't know. My dad over there killing them birds already. Frente! Here they come, white wings. We got one. Beautiful bird. Triste. Got two of them. We got one. Oh, white wing. Here it is. Where's the other one? Where's it at? One there. Yeah. Ooh. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It was a fun afternoon with my dad. We killed a lot of birds.